And of course, not just Storm Team 8 keeping a close eye on the winter weather, Consumers Energy getting prepped as well. They're looking at potential outages now from the wind gusts.
Josh Pachorik, a spokesman for consumers, joining us now. Josh, thanks for joining us tonight. I'll tell you, it's going to be busy over the next couple of days.
We expect it to be. Thanks for having me on and the chance to come on. Like you all are reporting, the heavy snow is, a concern as folks travel to work and around the roadways. But at Consumers Energy, when we're paying attention to power outages, especially in the winter, there's two things we look at: is there going to be a lot of ice in the storm, and if there are high wind gusts. And this storm that we expect to start around 4 in the morning tomorrow. It's going to have some wind gusts up to 50 miles an hour along the lakeshore. And that will cause some outages, if it hits that point with trees and down wires, things like that. Our crews have been preparing today. We have dozens of crews ready to go. We have contract crews on call. We've been participating in our storm meetings throughout the day, making sure that we'll be ready if there are outages because of the storm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and Josh, with when we're looking at this forecast, I got to believe that the wind is the big concern for you guys, and you may have the crews ready to go, but as we saw in that last sustained wind event system that we had rolled through here last month, you can't get those bucket trucks up to do the repairs when the wind's still blowing. So pack your patience.
Well, that's right. So for safety reasons, our line workers, they'll be out in those bucket trucks as soon as it's safe to do so. If the wind gusts are over 35 miles an hour, we're not able to get those trucks up. But what you could see happen if there are outages and if this storm is as worrisome as we're expecting it to be, they'll be assessing damage. They'll be looking at what areas were hit hardest. Really, all areas west of 131 are sort of in that target zone that we're continuing to monitor.
Okay. Josh Pachorik from Consumers Energy. We will certainly be keeping in touch over the next few days. Thanks for joining us tonight.
Yeah, thanks for having me on.
Josh, thank you. You can stay in touch and in the know as the winter weather moves through the region tomorrow. Stick with Storm Team 8. They'll keep you up to date on air, online, and over at woodtv.com. And the Storm Team 8 app. You can check the radar yourself. All of that is available. It's free for you to download on all of your platforms.